Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I was sent some hair from Alibliss. They sent me a 360 lace frontal wig. It's pre-bleached, pre-plucked. I think it's transparent. It's 150% density and it's ready to install. Even though I went ahead and did my own customizations to this wig, you don't have to once you receive the wig because it's already ready to go. So I'm just starting off with some braids that I braided back, and I'm going to do the ball cap method on it. So you just want to use a brown stocking cap and some got-to-be gel around the edges and over the ear. And so you just want to put it across the front part in front of the edges of the hair so that you won't get any glue on the client's actual hair, so that the glue will be in front of the hairline. So anyway, I'm using a brown stocking cap because I realized that if I use a brown stocking cap, I won't have to use any makeup. So yeah. But anyway, here's the packaging. It came in that box, and here's the wig. You can see I actually went back in and plucked it just a little bit more, and I also bleached the knots and removed the comb. So I did my own customization, even though you won't have to. So yeah, I'm just cutting the excess stocking cap off of her head, and you just want to cut it off and cut all the little pieces that's lifted up also, and cut it off in the back too. And then you want to wipe your hair down with at least 91% alcohol, the forehead and the ears. I didn't show that, I don't know why, but yeah, you do that. And then you're just going to go in with 3 coats of the Ghost Bond. That Ghost Bond I'm using there is the Ghost Bond XL, and the Ghost Bond glue works just fine for me. I don't have much lifting with my clients. Like, they have to come back in a few weeks to get it, 3 weeks maybe to get it touched up, but I don't really have any lifting at all with it. I try not to wet it so that the glue can cure, so that's why I don't. Okay, so here's the wig. It's a 360 wig, and I bleached the knots on the inside, as you can see. So anyway, just go ahead and, I'm just apply the pulling the wig all the way across the I'm going to use my front of the hairline metal rat tail comb and over the ear, and you're going to do that in 3 steps, and then over there 3 applications, and then just let it dry clear. So yeah, want to make sure don't let it dry completely, but just clear. Once it gets clear, it's ready to lay the lace down. You don't want to make sure that the back is in the back and the front is in the front, and make sure that the part that goes over the ears is where it should be, and the part that goes in the middle of the forehead is where it should be, because that'll throw your whole lace laying game off. So yeah, you just want to pull it down and make sure that the part over the ears is laying down, and then just take your comb, and you can either use like the back of the comb or that middle part of the rat tail comb, and just gently press it in. And then you just want to cut that lace over the ears. I didn't have to cut any additional hair, I don't think, with this one, because it fit her hair pretty good. So the only thing oh yeah, I did have to cut just a little bit of the hair off. So yeah, but it fit her head pretty good. So yeah, but I'm just cutting the ear tabs over the ears so that I can lay it down. So you just want to do that on both sides. And then just make sure that the hair is still laying down over the ears. And you just want to go over to the other side and do the same thing. Okay, so once I have the baby hair laid down, I just go in with a little Got To Be freeze spray, and then I take my blow dryer and just go ahead and dry the hair, because if you use any of the Got To Be items, if you go in with just a little bit of heat and air, it's gonna dry like a couple minutes. So I just went ahead and dried the baby hairs. I tied them down with a black wrapping strip I told you earlier, and then now I'm going in with some Cream of Nature, the leave-in conditioner. I'm just trying to moisten the hair just a little bit, because I'm going to go in with the Nairobis, but I don't want to use a whole bottle of Nairobis, trying to wet up her hair. So I just went in with some of that leave-in conditioner. And I'm just wanting to make sure I get the hair really saturated, especially the ends. So you want to really concentrate on getting the ends saturated and moisturized with curly hair, because that's usually the first part to get dry and unmanageable. So yeah, and then I'm just going through with a comb and combing it out, make sure there's no kinks in it. The hair was really soft, so I didn't really have any problem with kinks. So yeah, you just want to go in and comb it out really good. She wanted to do like a half up, half down style, so that's what I'm gonna do. You're just gonna see me parting the hair out and getting it ready to go in a ponytail. Okay, so once you have the hair pulled up in a ponytail, you're just gonna spray it down with some holding spray or some Got To Be. I think I used the generic shaper, and then blow dry it, and then use a little bit more of the shaper or the hairspray, and just wrap a strip around the ponytail to make a band. I'm using a bobby pin to kind of like hold it in place, but I'm going to go back in with the freeze spray and the blow dryer to make sure that the band does not move. Okay, and so I'm just going back in with the conditioner. You can do it. I just went back in with it because I had used the blow dryer and the hair kind of dried a little bit. But yeah, I'm just going in with some more of the Nairobis. I just want to make sure that the hair is wet and moisturized and not dry looking. And you're going to see that when I turn it around, that it really like moisturized this hair, that it looks really good. And then you're just going to go in and do the same thing with the Nairobis, concentrating on those ends, taking a comb and comb it through so that the curls can be more defined. Well, I'm using a brush, but yeah, a comb or a brush will do anything. And then you just want to comb it out and then spread the ponytail out just like I did. You're going to go through and cut the black wrap off once you're done. But I guess I'll be done in a minute. Yeah, that's how it looks in the back. You just want to cut that black wrap off, and this is the finished look. This hair is from Alibliss. It's a 360 pre-plucked, pre-bleached 360 curly Brazilian wig. So I have the links listed below if you're interested in getting this hair. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video.